Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix 2x KO game crashing at startup, not launching, not loading, lagging, black screen or other issues on PS5. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button. Then select power button and then select restart PS5. So after restarting your PS5, check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings, select save data PS5, then select console storage and then tap on delete option. Next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first, then hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, open settings and click on users and accounts. Then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select 2xKO game and click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is an update available, and after updating the game, now try to launch it. Next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on PS5, then select system. Now go to system software and then click on system software update and settings. Next, select update system software and finally select update using internet option. Next method is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, open settings on your PS5, then go to network, click on settings, then click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, then go to system. Now select language option in the left sidebar. Select current language, then change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next method is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on PS5 and then move to system. Now select reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings and finally select restore option. Next method is to reinstall 2xKO game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Then select delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install 2xKO game again to check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if the issue still continues and nothing works for you, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. They will better suggest you the solutions and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.